Nomenclature by Samson. Cations and anions. Cation has a positive charge. There are two different types of cations. The ones with multiple charges that use Roman numerals and the ones with a single charge that does not use Roman numerals. Anions. Anions have a negative charge. When formula naming, the anion is always set after the cation. The anion changes. Greek prefixes are used depending on the number of duplicates. The suffixes used are "-ide" at the end of each anion. Ionic compounds. Ionic compounds consist of two main parts, cations and anions. You need a periodic table to help name these formulas. After you use the periodic table to find the charge, you will have to balance out the equation. Example number 1. Barium and sulfur have the same charges. Since the charges match, there is no need for numbers. The finished formula will look like BAS. Covalent compounds. Covalent compounds are formulas that consist of nonmetals. You will need a periodic table to name the compound. Use Greek prefixes to show how many of each element used. There is only one exception. Do not use mono for the first element. Example number 1. CO2. Since there is a 2 in front of the O, it would be dioxide. And carbon stays the same. It will be carbon dioxide. Formulas to names, names to formulas. Formulas to names. If you are trying to go from formulas to names, you must first have to find out the names of each element used. Then, when naming the cation, it keeps its regular name, but the anion changes its name depending on the situation. Names to formulas. Go from names to formulas. First, you have to find the element used. When you find out, then you have to balance the equation. The equation is balanced, then you can put the formula together.